This recording is to get you started in Pixlr Editor, which is different than Pixlr Express. If we go to pixlr.com, right here, and keep scrolling down, you have two choices, a Pixlr Editor or Pixlr Express. Pixlr Editor is laid out a lot like GIMP or Photoshop Elements. We're going to launch this web app. And we are brought here to this page. The very first thing we want to do is get an image in here to work on. And in this case, we're going to open an image from our computer. And you're going to go to where your image is. Mine is located in my Downloads folder right now. I'm going to choose this image that I plan to work on and hit Open. Once I open, it'll show up in a window right here. One great thing about Pixlr Editor versus Pixlr Express is it allows us to save larger files and do more detailed work. So once you get the hang of Pixlr Editor, it's quite a fun program to be in. We have lots of different choices over here with tools. There is a type tool where we can add text onto the top. We can blur or sharpen an image. We can stamp images out. We can fill in paint. Lots of choices. To just get you started, I'd like you to look here under the adjustment panel, right up here where it says adjustments, where we can change things like our hue and saturation. So I can change the colors of an image. I can also desaturate or highly saturate an image. It also allows some here, such as desaturate, solarize, sepia, invert turns it into a negative. That's very fun. And anytime I want to undo something, I just come over here to my history and click back a step. Also, as you're playing with Pixlr Editor this weekend, check out the fun filters. We can do lots of different stuff in here where it's automatic editing. This one did a mimic HDR. Kaleidoscope is one of my favorites. Right here, where I can adjust the size and I can create an interesting digital art pattern. Once we decide we've done something we want to keep, for example, if I wanted to desaturate this and turn this into a black and white image, and then maybe adjust it a little bit, contrast to make it a little bit more strong in contrast and a little bit darker, make this image a little bit moodier. Okay, so I took that image from here, where it's nice bright springtime, to this dark moody black and white image. Once I decide I like it, I'm going to come here to File and Save. I must rename my image. It's right here, Working Please Wait. You have to rename this, otherwise it will not save properly. Just come here and I'll name it Blooms Black and White. Save it as a JPEG file, leave quality where it is, and hit OK. It'll ask me where I want it to be. In this case, I'm going to put it on my desktop and hit Save. It's that simple. So go ahead and explore Pixlr Editor a little bit and make sure that you are saving your work as you go. Thank you.